Morning, boys. Oh, shit. Somebody didn't clean up their mess yesterday. She's a foggy morning. All type of misty fellas out today, boys. Oh my god. But I'm gonna take him in early to try to avoid the MTO, cops and stuff. I like to think they sleep in. I like to think they sleep in. Give a guy a chance, you know what I mean? A couple more Dodges gone, boys. I'm not digging that, but these are pretty well had for parts, so I'm reducing my collection here. I gotta clean up the yard a little bit, make room for other stuff. Gotta give my hoist a pickling and a paint here too. Figure while I got it out of commission, still haven't had any luck finding a rebuild kit for this thing. You can't really, I mean, it's a John Bean 12,000 pound friggin' parallel lift, but yeah, I mean, I might be able to just knock that pin out, twist off the air skull, pull the whole spiel out. But the problem is if it's leaking because of rust, you know, because it's just an open hole, moisture could get in there, sit in the bottom, rust a little spot there, and then as it goes up and down, it chazels the what's it. Next thing you know, you got a leak in air skull. So many misties out. Misty fellas. Oh my god. Oh, listen to the snap on that parking brake, boys. Nice. There's the compound so far. It's a little misty. Sorry about that. Sorry about the mysticals. No, not too bad. We'll have to go over there and investigate. See what we can find. Offer pittance for him. Alright? Just offer pittance for his stuff. Say, oh, how much you want for this? I'll say, oh, $50. I'll say, you know, got $10 back. And then just start taking it. Grab his wrist and stuff. This couldn't be a worse situation, boys. I've just lost all throttle in my truck. Not all throttle, I guess. Not good. Going 42 kilometers an hour here. Uh-oh. Holy shit. She just come back. Been having a little hiccup surgy poo every once in a while. But it just like dies for a second and then you know, not even dies, just like you lose throttle for just a second, and then it just comes back, right? And I thought, whoa, what was that? You know, and it's happened probably 4 or 5 times. But that was like all the throttle gone, no throttle, and then pull over, oh no, then I kind of fart. Maybe I got water in my lines or something, who knows? Maybe I'll drain the water. But there's no water and fuel light on or anything, so. Well, we definitely can't be getting stranded with a load like this on. Good Lord. There it goes again. Losing. Oh, now it's back. What is this? Oh, open a new entrance or what? Boys, this is doing it again, boys. I don't know. If I even touch the throttle, it just gives you a little bit, and then that's it. And then all of a sudden you get it back. Nice. It's got to be the friggin' actuator pedal position sensor. If it was injectors or water in the fuel or this or that or the other thing, it wouldn't just self-fix, right? This is like a sensory deprivation issue of some type, I think. But we'll have to figure it out, I guess. I don't know. It's not good, I can tell you that. We're just stopping on the middle of the road for a couple minutes and then all of a sudden get going again. That's less than ideal. Hidden from the MTO by the cloak of the misty fella, boys. Eh? Scores! Big fan of the cloak of the misty fella. Not a big fan of the missing throttle actuation though. That's less than ideal, I think. That's not good. 19,460! 19,460! Had quite the operation going over here. Looks like they're making some type of the crushed aggregate. I wouldn't know anything about that. Got all the wheels off this trailer. Maybe it's scrap. Holy, that'd be awesome. Scrap that. Live bottom freaking what's it? Oh, I need that little roller thing there. I need that. Like actually. Thank you. 11,660. 688, no good. Look at that twisted pile of wreckage. Holy. Bunch of trusses, burnt up trusses. Pretty good load there though. Holy suffering. Probably. Somebody probably got paid for that load. She's all loaded up, boys. So see, go drop that bullshit off and come back, hook this up, get it ready to go in the morning. And then, yeah. Stink moat, you love that kind. Felon's specialty. He's got his good freaking going to town galoshes on. That's how you know. He loves that kind. Oh, talk to Patty Whack too. I guess they sold the house to some rental agency. So it looks like it'll be like a boarding house of some sort, like rooms for rent. So that might end up being interesting for the movies. You know what I mean? Yeah, we'll go dump this trailer off there, and then we'll get back here and have more shopping, and then we'll get ready for tomorrow, and it'll be awesome.